Okay, guys, this seems to be the most favorite of all the fractions. And students get carried away with dividing because it's so much fun that they want to do it with every kind of fraction. But you have to remember to only use these steps when dividing fractions. The steps to dividing fractions are called keep, change, flip. And they go like this. If we have 2 wholes divided by 1/3, the first thing we have to do is we have to make the whole number a fraction. Okay? So change 2 to 2/1, because any number over 1 is still a fraction without changing the value. So now we have 2/1 divided by 1/3. Now we can go into our keep, change, flip. It goes like this. It tells us to keep the first fraction, 2/1, change the division sign to a multiplication sign, and flip the second fraction. So we're going to get this fraction's reciprocal. That means just flipping it upside down. Then we follow the multiplying steps, which say multiply straight across. So 2 times 3 is 6. 1 times 1 is 1. Any number over 1 is that number as a whole. So our final answer here is 6. Pretty simple. Let's try one more. Okay, this time we're going to start with a fraction 3/4, and we're going to divide it by 3. We still need to make the second fraction a second whole number. Okay, let's try that again. Take 3/4 divided by 3. We need to make the 3 a fraction, so we're going to put it over 1. Now we're going to follow our keep, change, flip. Keep 3/4, change the division sign to a multiplication sign, and flip the second fraction upside down. Now we multiply straight across. 3 times 1 is 3, and 4 times 3 is 12. So we know that 3 is a prime number, can only divide by 1 in itself. So we ask ourselves, can 12 divide by 3? Yes, it can. So we divide top and bottom by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Therefore, this answer in simplest form is 1/4. So with every operation you do with fractions, you always have to simplify your answers. But most students love this one the most because it's called keep, change, flip. Just remember to only use it when dividing.